Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have here my Beautylish lucky bag to unbox with you. I love doing these. I think I've been doing them for like, I don't even know, maybe 5 years or so, but it's been a while and I look forward to them all the time. So if you guys are unfamiliar, this is something that Beautylish does. The 26th of December, they released these lucky bags, and I'll link it down below if you guys want to sign up for the next one, which is still a while away, but it will send you an email for early access. So basically, there was like a few different options this year. They had the Jeffree Star lucky box, which was $75. Also, this regular lucky bag, which is also $75, and then they had an XL, which is $150. You're supposed to get double the price of what you pay, basically. The XL sold out like in seconds because I was on that site like right on the time and it was definitely gone. So that one's always really hard to get, but I always want it because it always looks so good. I think they also had a give one get one, which was $150, and I think you would get a $75 box and then you would give another one. I don't really know how that one works out, but that's basically what it is. So unfortunately you can't get this right now, but everyone should be receiving them. So you'll probably see a lot of videos like this of everyone seeing what they got in their lucky bag, because it could be anything that they have on their website in this box. And they sell some pretty amazing brands there. I will say something that was kind of frustrating is they did charge a $15 shipping, so I paid like $90, which is kind of a lot when I think about it, because I feel like they used to do free shipping. So even though technically it's still $75, I still paid like $90 to get this box when I could have shopped at like Sephora for free shipping, if that makes sense. So that's just something like, I hope it's worth it. But I swear they used to do free shipping in the past. But anyways, let's see what we got in our lucky box. It seems like a big one, so we'll see if it's lucky or if we just got good products in general. I'm always nervous because I have a lot of products, you guys know, and I try out a lot of things. So if you guys do get duplicates, you could always resell them on like Poshmark or something like that, which is what I might do just to make a little bit of money back since this was pretty expensive. Let's see what we got. I'm just going to start pulling things out and trying not to look because I want it to be a surprise. So the first thing, I'm feeling something glittery, which I think is an Anastasia palette, which I probably already have. Let's see. Darn it. Yeah, I already have this one. It's the Sultry, and it is one of my favorite palettes, so I will say that. I really like it. It's very pretty, nice neutral, glittery shades, but yeah. I already own this one, so that kind of sucks because that's probably a major item in this bag. I think these are like $49. This is what it looks like. So pretty though. Here is the shades. It is really pretty, but yeah, it kind of sucks if you do have a lot of makeup, you may get duplicates, but I probably will try to resell this. We'll see. So that's kind of a downer because already I kind of feel like I wasted my money, but I know it's a mystery, so you can't really help it. But let's see what else we got. Okay, so next up we got a little travel size Oribe Wave and Shine Spray. I do love getting Oribe stuff in like different boxes because I never really buy it myself because it's so pricey, but they do have some really nice products, but it is kind of small. I'll add up everything in the end too so you guys can see if I saved money. Okay, so this next item, this is from the brand Holifrog. I don't think I've heard of this brand. This is the Superior Omega Nutritive Gel Wash. This is what it looks like. It's pretty big. It seems nice. It says a wash that deep cleans, replenishes, and tones all at once. It multitasks as well as you do. Looking at the ingredients, it looks pretty good, so I'll definitely give this a try. I do need a new cleanser to try out, and the inside packaging is really cute. I am excited to try that. I'm wondering how much this retails for. I'll definitely have to check that out. And then I got something from Good Molecules. I don't think I have this, but I have a lot of stuff from this brand. It's a very cheap brand, so to get it in the box is kind of like but I do like their products. This is the Niacinamide Brightening Toner. I don't think I have this. It says it's formulated with niacinamide, vitamin C, Arubitin, and licorice root to brighten and improve appearance of enlarged pores. I think this could work really well for me since I do have more oily, acne-prone skin, and I know niacinamide is really good for helping with that. So I will try this out for sure. And I love Good Molecules because they use really simple ingredients. They don't have a super long ingredient list, so I really appreciate that about them. All right, a couple more items. We got something from, I got Hourglass. Caution Lash Mascara. That's fun. Don't think I have tried this from them. This is an ultra black. It's super luxe. I love Hourglass stuff, and this is probably like maybe like 28, 30 bucks for this. Really cool packaging. I just recently picked up their new concealer, which I'll be testing out soon from Sephora, but I usually love most Hourglass products. I feel like they are a nice luxury brand that has good quality stuff. Okay, still have 2 more. Oh, we got more Hourglass. This is a Confession Ultra Slim High Intensity Lipstick. It's called I Can't Live Without. I think I got one of these last year in like a red color. Let's see what we got. It's very fancy with this packaging. They're super slim, but you can refill them, I think. And then, oh, I think I got another red, but I think it's a different one. The other one I had is like a bright red. This one is more, I guess it's kind of a deep red, but these feel so like really luxurious and smooth when you swatch them. They're very luxury. I love that it has a little name on the side as well. The only thing is these things are a little bit hard to store, so with the shape and everything, but they're really pretty, and I'm excited to have another one of these. I do wish it was a nude, but it is okay. Okay, so, oh, I still have more. I thought I kept running out, but I have another thing in here. This is from the brand Sonia G. I feel like they have expensive brushes, so that's exciting, and it's a crease brush, which I love. It kind of reminds me of the Wayne Goss brush I have from them, which has lasted me years. I love the quality. The Japanese ones, the Japanese brushes are always like amazing, super luxurious, and this one definitely looks really luxury. Like it kind of looks like Hourglass, but yeah, this was made in Japan. This is the Crease 2 brush. I'm sure it retails for a lot, so that's pretty exciting to get it in here. And then lastly, this is kind of annoying because I see these at TJ Maxx all the time, but I got this Stila Iridescent Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow Set. This one has the shades Dollish, Stylish, and Embellish. I have so many of these that I'm kind of like over them in a way, even though they are really pretty. I don't think I own these shades, which is good. This one is Dollish. I like it. It's kind of a peachy orange. Next one is Stylish, which is a light kind of champagne gold. This one's really light. I don't know why I swatched it way over there, but it's over here. And then the last one is called Embellish. This one's kind of light as well in the middle. So definitely that one's the most pigmented of all of them. But yeah, those are little minis. So that is everything I got in my lucky bag. I don't know, I'm kind of underwhelmed just because of the Sultry palette. That was like the big item in there, I feel like, and I already owned it, so that kind of sucks. But I did get some other pretty cool items. So let me add everything together and I'll tell you guys how much my box was worth. Okay, so I kind of feel bad for bashing my box a little bit because I think I did get extra lucky one. So my whole value, if I added everything correctly, was $241. So I think you're supposed to get $145 worth of stuff, so that's almost $100 more than what I was supposed to get. So that's actually pretty cool. So I'm feeling a lot better about it. Just adding up the totals, I didn't realize how expensive some of these items were. That crease brush was like $32, as well as the Holofrog cleanser that was also in the $30 range. So we did get a great value for what I spent. Was, I would say, $90. I did add just like the full retail values, even though I've seen the Sultry palette at TJ Maxx for like $25, and I've seen the Stila set for like I think $10 at TJ Maxx, and it is on sale now. So that kind of varies a little bit with the prices. So, I mean, I'm definitely going to use the mascara, the lipstick, this spray here. That was like $20 for this little thing. And I'm really excited about this cleanser. The Stila glitters were just like, but I will go ahead and use them. So I think that is everything. Oh yes, and the crease brush I'm really excited about. But yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of having mixed feelings. It's always hard with these mystery things to feel like if you got your money's worth or not. I still enjoy doing them, and I think it's so fun to unbox them for you guys on camera and see my reactions of the products. So let me know down in the comments what you guys got, if you guys got a lucky box, if you liked your products. I know it's so hard to please everyone with these, but I do think I definitely got my money's worth, and that is 100% true. So that's it for this unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.